Hiya, how we doing? The Merkur Progress, a razor and design that has been around for over 70 years. However, it's got something a lot of people don't like: the plastic knob at the bottom. Over the years there have been various customisations available for it, and I've recently picked one up for mine. This is the Opus Opgress knob. That's two knobs in one video, guys. We're doing okay. So we're going to basically go through the fitting of this knob. It is available in, this is the brass version, it's also available in stainless steel. I think the bronze has already sold out. So to fit the knob, turn the plastic dial until the head comes off. Then all you need to do is pull the knob like that, and that's what comes, that is the inside of your Progress. This is only for the short handle Progress, not the 500 model, not the 510. One thing you will notice a difference on is that obviously this Progress, this is a vintage one, that's why I'm keeping this pristine, is the numbers. On the Opgress there are no numbers. However, I think if you just count the ridges and the furrows on the dial, you won't be far off adjustment wise. So you need to remove this split ring here by pulling over the upper section of the handle. Alternatively, as I've done, I managed to source another split ring, so I'm going to put that on. I'm not touching that because it's vintage and pristine. It's the way I bought it. So the way to fit that is, that slides down and it should slide into that recess there. I'm just going to pinch it together. There we go. So there's the split ring in position, as you can see. So in theory, all I need to do now is take the knob, insert it in the hole and squeeze the ring. So many puns I could go to with that one. I'm just checking the size difference. So as with mine being a vintage one, I'm hoping it'll work. Let me just pull the split ring off. Yeah, it does fit. Okay. I'm going to squeeze the ring, because it is spring steel. There we go. Squeeze. Squeeze it. It doesn't want to go in, missus. I can't get it in. No, that's shut. So we shall keep the split ring in position. Compress it, and it still won't fit. we eventually got it in. So there we go. Took a bit of teasing, but we got there in the end. So now all I need to do is place the top cap back on. Geo Fatboy, who sells these, has also done a video on it. So there we go, we now have a brass knob. You can still see the indent just here on the razor. So I would say for adjustment purposes, if I take that as 0, and then basically for every groove I could use that as a number. So I know if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 4 grooves down. There we go. That's it, folks. It's just a case of getting the ring on the knob and getting the knob in the hole. Martin, why do you do these things? Right, that was harder than I expected it to be, just because the split ring wouldn't stay in place. So to overcome that, as I was pushing it in, the ring was trying to slide down to the lower section on the brass knob. So I literally used a wooden stick to keep it pushed in and keep it in position, and it actually went in. It went in very easy. So that's now what the 500 looks like. Didn't go as smooth as I hoped, the installation, but it's not hard. Harder to do trying to show stuff on camera, and the wife's got the TV and the washing machine and everything, every other domestic appliance on downstairs, so I do it in the bathroom standing up. Right, that's it. If you have any comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.